Mom and Kid English, Origami Edition. English phrases and vocabulary. Basic greetings and suggestions. Good morning, sweetie. What a great idea to fold origami this morning. Origami in the morning? That sounds like fun. What would you like to fold? Preparation. Let's get our origami paper and scissors ready. Do you remember how to fold a crane? Let's try it again. Praise and encouragement. You're so good at folding. That looks amazing. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. It's fun to try new things. Expanding conversation. What color origami paper do you want to use? What kind of animal do you think we can fold? Various phrases. What would you like to fold today? You have a runny nose. Let's get a tissue. Go wash your face and gargle. Let me help you. Please bring me the scissors and pencil. Here you go. Fold the origami like this. Please bring me the trash can. Spread this out. Is it done? It's done. Come get it. Get the straw. How do I hold it? If you hold it like that, it will fall off. Let's eat now. Cut it from either the right or left side. It's easier to cut that way. Are you listening to me? Words to pay attention to. Origami. Scissors. Pencil. Crane. Amazing. Perfect. Color. Animal. Today. Tissue. Face. Spread. Straw. Easier.